Hello everyone, we are now on page 1 and we look at the our question together. It said Leo has 20 cents. He bought 2 burgers that cost 5 cents each. And then he bought 1 puff that cost 8 cents. And then we need to find, can he buy a cupcake that costs 9 cents? Okay, first of all, we need to find how many cents that Leo has. It said Leo had 20 cents, so we write down 20 here. And then we need to find how much does 2 burgers and 1 puff cost. 1 burger is 5 cents, and then plus the second burger 5 cents, and then plus 8 cents for 1 puff. So 5 plus 5, calculate first. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then we plus 8. 10 plus 8 equals how many? Equals 18, right? And then we need to find how much does he left. And then he have 20 cents, so you write down 20 cents first. 20, and then minus 18 equals how many? 2, right? That means he left 2 cents only. So can he buy a cupcake that costs 9 cents? Of course, no, it is not enough. So we'll put a cross. Hello, we are now on page 2 and we look at the first our question. Is that Heidi has 5 coins which totaled 22 cents. And she bought a bag with those coins, and we need to find what coins did she have. So do you remember what kinds of coins are using in US? There are 4 kinds of coins, including 1 cent pennies, and then nickels, which is 5 cents, dime 10 cents, and also quarter 25 cents. And the question says Heidi has 5 coins which total 22 cents. So we first of all draw 5 coins. And then we need to think about what combinations of coins, when they are added together, they equal 22. So I give you some time to think about it. I believe some of you have already think of the answer. So 10 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 1 cent and 1 cent. When they are added together, they equal 22. So if you think of another combination, you can also try. And then we will talk about the second out questions. It said Linda has 12 nickels, 10 dimes, and 4 pennies. And then Brenda has 15 nickels and 5 dimes. So we need to find how many dimes do they have in all. So be careful. The question asked how many dimes do they have in all. So we know that some of the informations are noise. For example, the 12 nickels. Is it a noise? Yes, it is a noise. So we cross it out. And then 4 pennies. Is it a noise? Yes, cross it out. And then Brenda has 15 nickels. So it is also a noise. We cross it out. And then we just need to focus on the dimes. So Linda has 10 dimes and Brenda has 5 dimes. So and now we need to find how many dimes do they have in all. So Linda has 10 dimes. So we write down 10. And Brenda has 5 times, so we plus 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15, right? Sorry, write down 15. Now I have a challenge for you, and I want to find the total amount of money that they have in all. So Linda have 10 times. We can do it by skip counting by 10. So Linda has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And she has 100 cents. That 100. How about Brenda? How much does she have? So Brenda has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So she have 50 cents. So we add them together. 100 plus 50 is equal how many? 150. Okay, and now we turn to the next page and talk about our questions. It said Teresa had 5 nickels. She bought some balls, and when she got home, she only had 3 nickels left. And we need to find how much money did she spend. So, first of all, we need to find how much money did she have before she buy the balls. And she have 8 nickels, and we can do it by skip counting by 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it means she had 40 cents before she buy the balls. And then when she got home, she only had 3 nickels left. So that means how much money does she have now? We circle 5 nickels, and 5 nickels equal how much? 5, 10, 15. So it means she has 15 cents now. And now we need to find how much money did she spend on buying the balls. Originally she had 40 cents. So we write down 40 minus money she have now, which is 15 cents. So 40 minus 15. What is the answer? Yes, it is 25. Write down 25. That means she spent 25 cents on buying the balls. And now we are on page 6. So the question said, Jenny's mother is preparing dinner for her family, and she has 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 4 pennies. And we look at the all questions. We need to find how much money does Jenny mother have. So Jenny mother has 1 quarter. That means 25 cents. We write down 25. And she have 2 dimes. Each dime is 10 cents. So 10 plus 10 equals how many? Yes, it's 20. And then she has 3 nickels, and each nickel is 5 cents. So 5, 5, and 5. And then 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals how many? 15. Yes. And then she has 4 pennies, and each penny is 1 cent. 1, 1, 1, 1. So that means she has 4 cents. Okay, we add them together. 25 plus 20 plus 15 plus 4. So what is the answer? Yes, it's 64. Okay, did you calculate the correct answer? And then we'll look at the second questions. Is that Jenny wants to keep 10 cents. We need to find which food should she buy? So originally, and she has 64 cents, right? So we copy 64, and she wants to keep 10 cents. So we need to minus 10 cents. Okay, 64 minus 10 equals 54, right? That means she can spend 54 cents on buying food. And then we look at the table above. Okay, which kind of food is cost 54 cents? Yes, it's potatoes. So that means she can buy potatoes. And then we write down potatoes. It is 54 cents. Now we are on page 7 and we look at the other questions. It said, if Jenny buys the fish, how much money will he have left? So from the table we know that each fish is 40 cents. And we calculate the 4, and then she has 64 cents originally. So we write down 64, and each fish is 40 cents. And we write down minus 64 minus 40. What is the answer? Yes, it's 24. That means she will have left 24 cents after she buy the fish.